Welcome to this lesson on surface area of cylinders and cones. A cylinder is a 3D figure with two parallel circular bases. So let's look at the net first and use that to find the surface area. So basically we have two circles, those are the bases, and then this section opens up to become a rectangle. Alright, so let's do the circular bases first. We have a radius of 4. Remember, area of a circle is pi r squared. So pi 4 squared or 16 pi. So the area of both circles would be 16 pi meters squared. And then the area of the rectangle would be length times width. Now we know this is 12 from here. This piece is actually going to be this opened up. And this is the circumference of the circle. So we need to find the circumference of that circle. Remember, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, so 2 pi times 4 or 8 pi. So this length here is 8 pi. And then this is a rectangle, so area of a rectangle is length times width, or 12 times 8 pi, which would be 96 pi. So the area of this rectangle is 96 pi. So we're going to add all those up, 16 pi plus 16 pi. I'm just leaving it in pi form to make it easier for me right now because they're all in pi form, so I might as well just add the numbers, and then 16 plus 96, that's 128 pi. Also on a test you might see this pi form. It's also called exact form. Alright, the rounded form or the decimal form would be 402.1 meters squared. There is a formula for cylinder if you would like to use that. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. Of course, the r is the radius and the h is the height. Alright, let's move on to the cone. A cone is a 3D figure with one circular base and a smooth circular body that comes together at a point called the apex. Now if you look at this net, this is a sector area here. We do know how to find sector area, but we don't have the central angle here. So in this case, I'm going to use the formula for a cone, which is pi r L plus pi r squared. L is actually the slant height. So that would be here. Now I know we have also seen slant height as an S. It can be either S or L. The reason it's sometimes S instead of L is because we don't want to get it confused with length. So if a formula already has L for length, then you'll see slant height as S. If it doesn't have an L for length, then you'll see that slant height as L. Alright, so let's go ahead and use the formula. So pi, my radius is 10, my slant height is 22, plus pi 22 squared. Alright, I'm going to, let's see, this would be 220 pi, 22 squared is, I'm sorry, I just realized I have 22 here, that should be 10. So that would be 100 pi, there we go. So that would be 320 pi meters squared, or 1005.3 meters squared. Alright, you can stop the notes and go ahead and complete the practice.